everyone, it's Sam, and today we're opening day 5 of the Made to Surprise Advent. So let's see what surprise we have today. There it is. It's a nice big box. Okay. Open this one up. Oh, there's still some tape on the top, so just peel it off. This one's one of my favourites. This is a monster bag of sprinkle embellishments. Now, we had to put on the back, do not consume, because these look so realistic. You could put them on real cupcakes. So do be careful where you leave these lying around if you've got little kids, dogs, cat, you know, any pets and things like that, because they do look good enough to eat. But these are a mix of, there are snowflakes in there, but there are also lots of hearts and stars that you can use all year round. I've got some other projects to share using this, but for the minute, we're going to flip the camera around and I want to decorate the previous cards that I've made. So I'm just going to dump out just a few of them on there. So if you'd seen this video, I added the glaze there because I needed something to just fill the space, but now I can add in the snowflakes. Just add a few little dots there of glue and then just pop these over, and they're so nice. If you remember my little candy canes from my Paper Craft Society, there are white stars in there as well, but I just want to stick with the snowflakes. So just a little bit of glue and then lay them down. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. There we go. Now that looks more complete for me. Just the white ties in now with the white base. I did lay them on there when I was prepping the card, and I was like, oh, I really want to use them now, but I've waited, and yeah, I think it looks lovely. So that's that one, and then I just want to add, I'll just keep that flat just in case any of those do fall while they're drying. And then this one here, maybe I could add something else actually. Let's see what we got. Could add maybe some of the little stars instead. I mean, I didn't plan to use them on this one in all fairness, but there are some little white stars and I think they could stand out on the little mince pies. I might just, not a lot, I'm just going to put a few. I might put one on each of the mince pies. I think that's going to be fine. It's just a few there. I'll bring it up closer. There you go. Isn't that cute? And then this one. Just a little one there. There and there. So I hope you've enjoyed opening day number 5 and you like your sprinkles. And like I said, look out for future videos where I'll be doing a shaker card with them. I've got a lovely idea. And yeah, I hope you're able to finish your cards just that little bit more. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.